Hey, I'm Bartens. I'm the CEO of Datalicious, and today I want to talk to you a little bit more about why we think our OptimaHub platform is better than the competition. But before I go into that, I just want to tell you a little bit more about the background and how we got started, because I think it is also an important differentiator. In contrast to other companies offering this attribution service, it's important to note that Datalicious comes from a consulting background. We're a consulting agency, a data analytics agency. It's been around for 10 years. And we've implemented many attribution platforms from other vendors. And over the years just realized that it's very, very difficult implementing platforms that are designed to be out of the box. One thing fits many. Because every company is different. Every company has a different competitive environment, different data sets, different channels. And so we found that the most important part of an attribution platform is actually flexibility. Flexibility to import and use different data sets, flexibility to customize the model, flexibility to answer whatever questions the business needs answered. And so we started on this journey about 5 years ago to build our own attribution platform, but not so much an out-of-the-box solution, more an accumulation of recipes that allows us to be extremely flexible and cater to whatever need the client has. And so we built a platform that can track data in any channel. We have our own data collector Pixel with a wide library of JavaScript libraries that allows us to track everything from a page view to a conversion, to ad viewability, to page errors and page speed. We have integrations with many APIs, including Google and Facebook, to import data directly from these platforms. And we've built a very powerful data processing pipeline in the Google Cloud to help us bring all these disparate data sources together and stitch them into a purchase path, which includes the ability to use as many different user identifiers as you have to build that purchase path across devices, across time, across browsers. And a set of visualization tools to then help you visualize the insights that come out of the modeling. That can be, the data can be shown inside your own BI platform if that's what you want. Every client gets its own Google BigQuery instance with the results that you can directly access. There's no hidden magic going on. You have direct access to the raw data, access that yourself, build your own reports, or use our out-of-the-box reports built in Google Data Studio or R Shiny. If you have the necessary capabilities, you're welcome to customize and adjust these reports. And so the platform is extremely flexible to take in any type of data set that you may require, apply a custom model to every client, tune that model with whatever business limitations you think are necessary, and then provide custom report outputs that suit your business requirements. A couple of key advantages that are probably worth highlighting deal with our approach to modeling. So over the years we've also tested many different models. Regression modeling is what we started with. We had a quick try of Shapely, but in the end we settled on something called hidden Markov HMM modeling. And the reason for that being the fact that the hidden Markov model, and it sort of is included in the name, is based on the premise that we as consumers go through many different hidden states before we make the decision to actually purchase. As in, we're aware of something, we become interested, we show desire, and we go, actually, I want this product, and then we actually buy. Now, these hidden states they're there, but we can't really observe them. So what the hidden Markov model does, it tries to estimate what hidden state you're in by measuring things that we can actually measure, as in visible actions. Having been exposed to an ad, reacting to ad, clicking on it, interacting with the website, consuming content, whatever that is. And we're not limited here in what can be tracked and included. Including, you can use call center calls, you can include direct mail, you can include social media. That's really not a problem. But the point is we're using these visible exposures to figure out what hidden state each and every single user is in. And most importantly also how they progress through these states. So the hidden Markov model doesn't just optimize towards the sale, it can also tell your brand marketers of how effective was a campaign, for example, moving your audience from awareness to intention. it's not just always about the final sale. We realize that there's other campaign objectives, and so the hidden Markov model is very, very powerful in helping with that as well. So for those reasons, we think the OptimaHub is a great platform for any company that wants to get into attribution. It's just getting started and realize that there's a need for better marketing measurement, or for companies that are already using sophisticated tools like Google 360 attribution. Either way, our platform can be the right entry point, or can be a great enhancement to whatever you're already doing if you've hit the point where the existing platform is just simply not flexible enough to fulfill the needs that your enterprise has.